How to change the notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 version. By default, set the notification tone on your device. To change it, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll and tap on the sounds and vibration option. So tap on it on your device. Here you can see the notification sound option. Tap on it. By default, set the notification sound on your device. Here you can see the list of default available notification sound, different category like calm, fun, retro. So this is the all available default notification sound on your Samsung device. But in the Samsung device, you can't set the custom notification sound using the default settings on your device. So you need to select the only available notification sound. So select sound you want to set on your Samsung device. If you want to change the notification vibration pattern, you can also change it, also increase or decrease the notification vibration intensity. So it's all about the notification sound settings on your Samsung S25 FE. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.